Are you in need of a relaxing spa day? This bath salt recipe is going to solve all your issues. Let's make this winter flower bath salts to give you an at-home spa day. You'll go from having the holiday jitters to feeling calm and relaxed and ready for all the parties. Hi, I'm Shyla from Simply Earth. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. It's time to turn off your distractions. Making is healing. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this recipe. First, you'll want to grab this month's recipe box. And once you have it open, you'll want to grab your recipe card. So we are gonna need our tube, which is one of our extras from this box. We're gonna use frankincense and ylang ylang. Then from our bonus box, we're gonna use our fractionated coconut oil and 3 tablespoons of Epsom salt from your home. So let's get started making it. All right, in a small bowl, we're gonna mix together our Epsom salts, and we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil into the Epsom salts. All right, now I'm gonna add my essential oils. So we're gonna add 2 drops of ylang ylang and 1 drop of frankincense. And then we're gonna grab a stir stick or a spoon and we're gonna mix that together. All right, so now that this is ready to go into our really cute tube. So I was originally trying to put it in with my tablespoon, but then I realized that this is working actually better. So however you get it into the tube is great. And don't forget your label. So you can either label it the long way or the short way. Don't forget to put your date on it and you're all set. You can make this right from your home. The Simply Earth recipe box makes it so easy to make this fun recipe. And don't forget to post your creations on social media. Use the hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth so I can see everything that you've made. You're gonna love using essential oils with confidence and clarity. Go and get your box today.